The iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is set to launch in China on August 7th. The brand released the following poster to give the first look at its design. Z10 Turbo Plus looks similar to the other entries in the Z10 Turbo series with a squircle-shaped camera island and a flat side frame. Z10 Turbo Plus is just 8.16mm thick. The Z10 Turbo Plus features a 6.78-inch OLED screen that supports a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. iQOO has officially confirmed that the iQOO Z10 Turbo Plus features the Dimensity 9400 Plus, which is currently the most powerful MediaTek chip available in the market. Run on Origin OS 5-based Android 15. The device could be equipped with a 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual camera setup on the back and a 16-megapixel front camera. It will be the company's first smartphone to pack an 8,000 mAh battery. Support 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.